Tina. My office treats their employees right. We have both an espresso machine and a fantastic Curtis CGC Gold Cup single coffee brewer, and that's really the star at work. It's super easy to make a single cup of coffee. Everyone is always raving about how good the coffee is too. We have dozens of employees, so it gets a fair amount of consistent use. So far, so good. Occasionally we do have a problem with the brew cone, the spout clogging up, but it's not been too much of an issue so far. Maybe something the manufacturer could work out for future models. It also has a hot water spout, so anyone wanting tea or hot water can easily get that too. So I give it 5 stars and am so thankful for this brewer on long days at work.